everybody, even GV, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. So first we're gonna get some ammo. And ooh, Agents of Doom. But we're gonna get the concussion gun next, because that gun's been waiting. That gun has been next in line for a while. He's like, oh my god, it's a bot! Oh. But, like I was saying, we're gonna get the concussion gun, and we will get the Agents of Doom, of course. Like, why would I not get them? They're like the best freaking things ever. But, for now, we're just gonna get the concussion gun. Hello. In second, we're going to get the Agents of Doom, I guess, but there are, like, some arena type challenges, I think. They're kind of like arena challenges. I would call them arena challenges, but whatever. Yeah, but I'm not gonna record myself doing the arena challenges because I'll do like one of each arena challenge, and then I'll never do it again. I'll do it off screen because I do not want to do those arena challenges on camera. I'll get so bad at them. Try to get skill point here, destroy all those. Oh crap, what the? Whoa! Oh, I was gonna launch the spikes or whatever. The hell? Like one of them on. God. So there is bomb crates in this, like in every year. Get over here. Ah. Where'd he go? Ah, you stupid bugger. You stupid ugger. Ah, resistance. Oh. Damn.
Those cameras just keep coming. What should we do? Just ignore them. They are probably an automatic security system. All right, let's keep moving. They blow up real good, though.
Uh-oh. Work's in trouble. Oh, there's the new enemy. Those things shooting at us. Ooh, what the hell that is. Where's the music? Oh, crap, no. I don't have that much health. No. Can't see. Camera goes up. Do I just die? Ugh. I thought when it stopped the game for us, I was like, oh. Why? Oh, the agony. I was about to get loud here, so watch your ears. Where'd they all go? Excuse me? Did you call me? Did you call me home dog? That's not my name, you idiot. Where's the camera? Stupid chicken nugget. I'm going backwards. How am I going backwards? How in the world am I going backwards?
Whoa, hang on there. Now be careful with that. Whew, that was a close one. Now, let me have that water pistol, little fella.
Don't kill him.
It works. I finally perfected my Sprout-o-Matic.
Sprout-o-Matic, you say? How does it work? By shooting mimic plants, you can make them follow you. Then, by using it to water electro soil, the plant will hop in and transform itself into a platform, a creature, whatever you need.
Thanks, Obama.
Did you hear that, Ratchet? That would come in very handy. Yeah, great. Since you helped with the final test, I will give you this prototype to try for yourselves.
Is there a fish in it?
Wow!
Oh, well, Flowerhead's dead. Thanks, Obama.
That mimic plant seems useful. Why don't you water it with the Sprout-o-Matic?
Oh, we can't pee on everything. Pee on everything. Wow, Ratchet. Ooh. You have... Oh, you can't... Oh, crap. Okay, I didn't die, though. What are you making?
Different mimic plants gain unique abilities when they're planted in electro soil. This sprout's fruit is a powerful explosive.
Cool. There's a piece of armor. You see it? Can we look through? Let's just continue. Oh crap. Turn down, right? Yeah. Turn down for what? Cause it's too loud, it's too loud, cause it's too loud. Oh. Jeez. What did you do? Gotta work on you. Where's the man? Okay, there it is. First I'm gonna get this stuff. Wow. Picking boxes. The Sprout-o-Matic. You can pee on anything. Just need to take a piss right here. Alright, piss off. I'm just kidding. Wow, the ladder jumping does not feel like you're actually jumping. Let's eat some of these shrooms. Oh my god, I must kill everything. I'm going to kill everybody in the world. I'm going to kill everybody in the world. I'm going to kill everybody in the world. How lovely. Yeah, I can't do Clank's laugh. I can't really do it at all, really. Hey. It's illegal. Still awake, buddy? Oh,
You've planted a launcher plant.
Leg. If we have enough for the what's it called, the Agents of Doom, we're definitely
Select the hyper shot from the quick select menu and hold the
had it coming. We're gonna get it.
circle button while aimed at the target to attach to it and swing.
Okay, that does work. I just want to test it out. Oh! Gosh, this gun is awful. Oh, the agony. It sounds really cool though. It's like, it sucks. It's pretty horrible, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, we're gonna use our lacerator for this, because I am not willing to freaking waste my time. Spending 3 hours trying to think, didn't we just get now to upgrade? Oh, this thing's about to upgrade again. So what happens when you use a gun a lot, and then we only need to upgrade it one more time. Which might be the next planet, honestly. Oh, I already know what's happening next. Like, probably the worst part of this game. The Clank levels. Oh my god, I hate every Clank level in this game. Oh, V3, baby. Only one more left to go before. Now we are like OP right now. Come on, buddy. Aw. Is it a bomb? Not too bad, but a swing. Wow. Do we have to slide all the way down? Get out. Get out. Get out. No! Don't fling me again.
Looks like you'll need something to break through that wall first.
And how the heck do I get that one out? Come on. Do I just shoot this one? There we go. That makes sense. Let's see what happens if I do it this way. Oh. What's that? What I think it is? That's right. The fire helmets. Cool. All we need left is the fire other thing. Oh, turn it up here. Oh, the freaking wires on. Freaking controllers, man.
Yeah, great. It's locked. Well, looks like we'll never find out what that weird doohickey is. Come on, let's go. I am able to squeeze through this crevice. Wait here, and I will unlock it from the inside. All right, just don't take all day.
Sorry, Ratchet. It will. It's a freaking blank globe. Okay. Apparently, he's never freaking
Press
seen.
this. You can tell your Gadgebots to stand in place by issuing the wait command.
I don't even have any yet.
These Gadgebots are extremely useful. Free them by breaking their glass cases.
Too bad I hate them. Gadgebots suck.
You can issue Gadgebots a
Shut
variety
up!
of commands by holding down the triangle button.
The Gadgebots, no. I'm just gonna turn help desk off. Can I? It doesn't look like it. Wait. No help desk. I know how to play the game. Oh, my foot just fell asleep. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Oh. Alright, come on. Some classic Ratchet and Clank controls right there. Orxon. God, I hate Orxon. It's so awful. What's this room? What is this room? Attack! I'll go attack with it. Hey! I'm good. Go up here. Hello! Don't destroy my Gadgebots. They're my booze. Ew. Does this destroy all humans now? Oh, dude, that game's so old, but so good. Pretty bloody, though. I'm pretty surprised I even enjoyed playing that game. I'm scared out of my freaking mind or something. This should be it. Not tree. Alright, let's go. Did you destroy the Gadgetbot? Cause I ain't going all the way back through. Good. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, pretty sure I remember how to do this. Oh, just throw them there. Alright, let's go, guys. Wait! Isn't it like harpoons or something? No? Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's go! Ooh, I'm very close. Just go, 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 go. Don't freaking die. Okay. Stop destroying my gadget bots. That one's coming. He's like, wait. He's like, what's going on? No, yeah, I'm pretty sure there's just 3, because that looks like it just needs 3. Oh, who cares? Did that one just blow up? Let's go. I think that one just blew up. Yeah. Blew up somehow. Oh, we get some more gadget bots. We got 3 more. What? Skill point? What's the skill point? Oh, ship it. Break all the crates in the level. Okay then. I didn't even know I did that. Okay though. Let the boulder go first and we follow. Let's go, guys. Don't die. If you die, I'll freaking kill you. What was the 6th one? Come in. Woo! Oh! We have 6. Alright, come on, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that. Come on. Get down here. Really dodge the boulder again? Oh yeah. Okay. Let's hurry this time. Oh, you know where we're going now. We're done! Yay! You guys all barely dodged the boulders like 50 times. Alright. 3 in one hole, 3 in the other. I started. That's what he said. Get up there! What did I tell you? You're not gonna get down. Stay up there. I swear, if you freaking can't on me. What's that elevator for? I'll finally go up and get gadget box. That sounds crucially painful. Gosh, can you go any slower, Clank? Oh, that just proves a point. Oh, just click the button.
Ratchet. How do we know this whole place won't explode when you put that on there? We do not. See, I told you. Big waste of time.
Technomite map room. They built these rooms to keep track of the planets they inhabited. This one is Caledon.
Hey, that's where that robot soldier said he was taking the girl.
Exactly. And here are its coordinates. I have never seen these coordinates on any other maps.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go get her.
Alright, so let's go to Caledon, and then I'll just end it off like Caledon. Caledon, not Caldon. I keep saying Caldon. And in my mind I kept saying, what's Caledon? Caledon. I kept oh my gosh. Ooh, look at our new ship. Looking pretty cool. Caledon. Caledon.
This does not seem right. It has been too easy.
Easy? How's about I ride around on your back while you do all the fighting?
I mean that if the Technomites want to stay hidden, they are making it awfully easy for us to find them.
I did it! I found my real family! I
Hey,
was poking
Finn.
around on a computer when I got a message from some company called FauxFamily.com. It's my entire family tree! I've got to get through them!
Folksfamily.com.
Whatever that was you were doing.
FauxFamily.com? Does that seem odd to you?
Whatever. At least he's out of here. Let's get moving.
True that. But we actually have to end it here, so in the next episode, oh gosh, it's that guy. Next episode we'll get to that guy and see what he has to offer, but anyways, this has been the first couple episodes of Size Matters. My name is Ethan GV and I'm out. Peace.